One of the hardest to use but most important tools in Illustrator is the pen tool. We need to be able to use the pen tool for us to be able to create custom shapes. In level 1 of our worksheet, we created custom shapes like this. We just kind of clicked around and clicked around a shape in order to create these custom straight line shapes. And we learned how to bring it back home to the original point to close that shape off before we filled that in. Okay, but sometimes you need to draw something that's more customized. Certainly, most of the shapes that we see in a drawing, they are more customized, rounded off sorts of shapes. So the pen tool can create some rounded shapes for us as well. So I'm going to click create an anchor point right there, and my little preview line kind of trails out behind me, and I'm going to go up here. Instead of just clicking, I'm going to click and drag, or click and pull out a curve. So what I have now is this curved line with what I call handlebars. Other people call them other things, but I have these handlebars coming out to kind of adjust that curve. Now, because there's a handlebar right here, if I go to put another point, you can see that it's going to be slightly curved as well. So I can, again, click and drag to curve it further. Okay. So I'm going to go kind of around this shape here. I'm going to draw kind of a heart-ish shape. It's not going to be great because I want to adjust it. And I'm just going to kind of click and drag as I go around, and the little preview will tell me whether or not I'm close. So I can bring it back home and drag it out like that. So that creates customized shapes in Illustrator using that pen tool. I can combine both straight lines, then a curve, and then maybe another curve. But now if I want to go back and make another straight line, you can see that I wouldn't be able to make a line straight down unless I go back and click on that anchor point, and it kind of deletes that handlebar that was there, and then I can click there and continue on with the sort of shape that I'm drawing. So really observe what it is that you're doing when you create these shapes, and observe how clicking and dragging creates these curves. Next, we will go on to look at how to control these curves a little bit more in our next video.